Let's open Jiang's 5 luxury jewelry mystery bags. She doesn't wish color, so I randomly selected purple, blue and pink, and if tag matches the wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go, green. Vintage antique brass wheat necklace with full inlaid crystals, timeless minimalist design that never goes out of style. Blue, get one more. Pearl paved with sparkling rhinestones pendants, crafted from solid brass material, anti-fade plating. Red. Brass wheat sheaf ring, matching design for necklace. Red. CC classic rhombus shape full inlaid with sparkling crystals, so nice. Purple, get one more. Car classic ring, timeless and versatile, waterproof and anti-discoloration. Purple, get one more. Lulu earrings, double-sided design, one side fully paved with rhinestones, the other smooth bright glossy surface. Yellow. Light pink Miu style earrings with pink crystals, super lovely. Blue, get one more. Silver snake hoop earrings, snake head decorated with bright transparent clear crystals, full of lively and high-end texture. White. TD timeless silver bead bracelet, never out of style. Pink, get one more. CC gold edged oval pendant, black base with embossed carving. Orange. Lulu double chain necklace with lock and key pendant, casual and distinctive. Zhengji, your 5 mystery bags become 11, congrats. Free gift for you. Pack exquisite packaging for you. Thank you so much. Hi beauties, today we're unboxing our new luxury jewelry mystery bags. Wish for pink, blue and red, and if the tag matches her wish color, she gets one free. New customer get an extra bag. Let's go, pink, get one more. The collection all pieces feature high-end designer styles made for luxury lovers. Lulu bracelet so beautiful. Blue, get one more. Chanel-inspired classic quilted diamond ring, timeless style, forever in fashion. The brand logo stamp is clearly visible. Yellow. Lulu bangle, square rhinestone frame the metal logo, clear inner stamp. Easy to open. Pink, get one more. Pink CC ring with an open band, fits every finger size perfectly. Pink, get one more. Matching pink CC bracelet, the charms are movable so you can rearrange them freely. Green. Lulu inspired thin band ring covered with tiny rhinestones. So nice. Yellow. CD crystals start hoop earrings, super shiny. Blue, get one more. Same series pink CC earrings. Purple. CD woven border crystal letter hoops, so nice. Red, get one more. Sparkly clover necklace, white shell inlay. Green. TD gold bead bracelet, classic green. Blue, get one more. Pink CC full set, stylish matching. Purple. Celine style necklace, elegant and high-end. We ended up going from 5 bags become 13 bags. That's absolutely crazy. Free gift times. Thank you so much.